Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography in Eiger Grey. This car is next due for a service in September 2021 and has previously had only one owner. This is a 4.4 V8 diesel. As you can see, you have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys, a powered tailgate, and going into the back of the vehicle, you have executive rear class seating, and going into the front you have keyless entry, meaning if I lock the car I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great on a nice sunny day like today, or if you just want a bit more fresh air. And you can close it using the same button. A fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Touchscreen with different functions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Eco Data, which tells you how well the car has been driven. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool in the dark. Different driving modes depending on where you're driving or the weather. Comfort, grass, gravel and snow, sand and mud ruts. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer, and you can also control the back, which are also heated and cooled, keeping all passengers happy. The front also have a massage setting, which is really nice to have. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and you have a Meridian sound system, making each journey a little bit more enjoyable. A heated steering wheel, along with head-up display, which is great to keep your eyes on the road, and you can also change the position of your head-up display and the content that you can see in front of you, depending on your own preference. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you have soft door close, and that was the Range Rover Autobiography at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this great car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.